Administer. Meaning. Administer means to manage or oversee the operation of something, or to dispense or apply something, such as medicine or justice. Definition. Administer is a verb that refers to the act of managing, controlling, or providing something systematically or officially. Examples in sentences. 1. The principal administers the school with great efficiency. Here, administer means to manage and oversee the functioning of the school. 2. The nurse was trained to administer the medication carefully. In this sentence, administer means to give or apply the medication. Usage, administer, is often used in contexts involving management, governance, or the systematic delivery of services or actions, such as healthcare or law enforcement.
English practice.